when the poster itself displays this word. So they have to be religion neutral, and
Gaurav,
the state cannot have
let me answer you.
That is why it is wrong that he's saying that
Siddharth,
I'm a Hindu nationalist. So on
let Siddharth answer.
Yeah, please respond.
Gaurav, with all due respect, Gaurav, with all due respect and humility, I was giving you a feedback when I said also that I am saddened when I go around there. The intention is not to communalize but to give you a feedback. Since you represent Samajwadi Party, if you don't wish to accept my, whatever feedback I am giving, I am willing to take it back. It is up to you to believe or not to believe, and I gave you a reason why people are saying this and they feel in the villages.
Now, hey, hang on. And for you to say such a thing, let
it be. Gaurav, let me complete myself. Gaurav, I think you are decent enough to allow somebody. You have raised a question. Allow me to complete it. So be little generous. I have just given you. I have no intention to communalize. I will be the last person to even think in those lines. Please hang on. To do it, but it is a genuine, and there is a reason why I gave also. Now it is for you to take it or not to take it. Leave it there. Now, as a matter of fact, it is we as a nation, and we all are youngsters. You are much younger to me. I would be more than happy that this election is not communalized, because there are serious issues which the nation is facing, and certainly across the border, people.
Then why did Amit Shah talk about the Ram Temple the moment he landed in UP?
Yes, Mr.
Why not talk? I will let you. I don't know which type of Hindu you are, Gaurav. When I went there, I went to Ayodhya. Hear me out. Please hear me out.
Siddharth and Gaurav Bhatia.
Please hear me out now.
Siddharth Singh and Gaurav Bhatia, I want to get the others.
I will not stop.
You must hear me, Gaurav. Don't be aggressive tonight.
No, you must hear me. When I went to Ayodhya and I saw Ram Lala in a tent, in a dilapidated tent, my emotions were also charged. How can I see somebody, a High Court, saying that this is the birthplace of Ram, and as per my
Siddharth, I know you want to discuss that.
I say, no,
Siddharth, 1 minute, please. 1 minute. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. 1 minute, Siddharth. 1 minute, Siddharth. My question is this: the worst thing any political party can do. The worst thing any political party can do is create communal tension when there is none. Is to create communal tension when there is none. Now, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia just lectured all of us on the News Hour about how he wants communal harmony. 1 minute. I heard Gaurav's lecture.
I did not lecture. I was just placing my views.
Now, I want to ask you this, Gaurav. Okay, so you said it. Now, listen to me, Gaurav. You played communal politics following the suspension of Durga Nagpal. You said your reason to...
We did not.
You listen to me. I will prove to you now that you did. You said your reason to remove her was to reduce communal tension. Now, members of an organization affiliated to the UP Waqf Board themselves went on record to say there is no communal tension in the area and welcomed the demolition of the structure. Therefore, it is proven that you were trying to create communal tension in an area where the locals, members of the Waqf Board, and all the officials said there was no communal tension at all. I am asking you tonight to tell me, and all the people on News Hour tonight, what was your hidden motive to try and create communal tension in that area? The moment you give us a satisfactory answer, I'll move on. Please tell us.
But give me time also, Arnav.
No, you tell me why.
Yes. I'm telling you. First of all, even your channel projected that there was a nexus between illegal sand mining and her transfer and suspension. She was there for 1 year. She was posted as SDM in
Answer the question. The secretary of the Hazrat Syed Guresha committee, which comes under the umbrella body of the UP Sunni Central Waqf Board, told the newspapers, very clearly that there was no communal tension in the area. Why were you creating communal trouble by talking about communal tension? What is your political interest?
Yes, Arnab, there have been some communal riots in the past in the SP government. This time the government was proactive. And
there was no communal trouble. You were talking about communal trouble. What was your interest in misrepresenting the situation?
Yes, Arnab, the government goes by the LIU report. There was an LIU report that was placed before the government, and the LIU report clearly
Gaurav.
stated that if any action is taken, then there is the chance of communal tension, and I can forward you a copy of that.
Please
LIU
understand,
report.
Gaurav.
Secondly,
No, please
the
understand,
local people
Gaurav.
also.
You must be wary. No, the question. No, one second. Why am I asking you this, Gaurav? Because just because you think, and that local representative of yours thinks.
Allow me if I can't place the facts.
But Gaurav, just because your
this is not
local
fair.
representative
If you
believes
ask me
he's
a
going to
question,
get some
permit-
votes by creating an atmosphere of fear. That is the
No,
point.
Arnab.
The point is that
Arnab,
I throw back to Rahul
we have
Narvekar
done
because
enough.
and Naresh Gujral.
Arnab, this is not fair.
Because
Arnab, this is unfair.
You have
that
to listen
ask
to
me
the
a
other
question
point of
and then
view.
you
You have
don't
taken
allow
more
me to
time than the
complete my-
others. You see, this is exactly
but
the
then
point that Naresh Gujral was talking
Arnab-
about. Trying to create an atmosphere of fear.
Arnab, if
I go back to Naresh
ask me a
Gujral.
question, then you should have.
Yes, but I
Arnab,
need not
this is
agree with
unfair,
you.
okay? Please
But I need
register
not
my
agree with
protest.
you. I need not
You
agree
might
with
not.
what you say, and I have
On
a
your
right to
channel,
put
with
the
all
question to
humility,
someone
I
else.
say, yes, but
Naresh
you did-
Gujral. Naresh Gujral, did the
But you
Durga
didn't give
Shakti
me a
case
chance
prove
to
or
reply
not
to your question.
how a
That is
political
unfair.
party tries to give a communal twist in order to try and secure a vote bank, which obviously will not work, but in order to try and secure a vote bank? Naresh Gujral.
That is a tragedy. And unfortunately, they create such fear in the minds of the minorities that they are forced to vote a certain way. Why should, whether it's a Gurdwara or a masjid or a mandir, why should they come up on government land illegally? And if a government servant or a civil servant takes action, I think he's doing the right thing or she's doing the right thing. But we are the ones who foment this problem. We are the ones who create this kind of atmosphere. And this is what I mean by politics of fear. So that the minorities then vote a certain way and en masse.
Can I answer?
No, one second. Rahul Narvekar, earlier on the program, Rahul, you heard Sanjay Jha dodge 5 of my questions. And one of my questions...
It's not my responsibility to answer questions that are not relevant to me
One
directly.
second.
You've got the representatives of different political parties. Let them answer it.
Can I just... Rahul Narvekar, can you tell us what you think is the principal motivation of the Union Minority Affairs Minister who says, and I quote, there is a popular perception that the Indian Mujahideen does not exist. What is the Indian Mujahideen? Nobody knows. A responsible member of the Indian cabinet sworn to the Constitution of India is talking in such a language on a body which has been banned by the United States and the United Kingdom as well, not just India. I don't know what is his motivation, and Sanjay Jha refuses to speak one word on it. Why do you think Sanjay Jha is dodging it,
I think it's
Rahul?
the responsibility of the National Investigation Agency, of the CBI, and everybody who investigates
my
to tell
question-
you of any domestic terror outfit.
I don't know why you are
As a
apprehensive on talking
political
on a
party,
subject.
unless we hear
Really?
something officially,
Political
No, I have one question
parties
for
have no
Sanjay
views
Jha.
on banned
1 minute,
organizations.
1 minute.
It's a proscribed organization. Do you have a view on a proscribed
all we are
organization?
saying is that we,
Why
at
are
this
you
point
so?
of time,
Why are
1
you so
minute.
apprehensive on talking about the Indian Mujahideen?
We are not. In fact,
You're refusing to 5 times.
Let me no. You asked me different questions. What are
Well,
we saying? We are
No,
saying any
Arnab,
outfit
to
in this
expect the
country,
Congress
any
representative
terror
to
outfit
speak
in
on this issue is
country-
almost impossible.
Rahul, can I just
For the
please-
simple
I-
reason that they have
What's-
always
what's-
put
what's-
political
what's-
interest
what's-
over
let's hear it,
national
let's hear it,
interest.
let's-
And I
let's hear
can
it,
give you
let's hear
umpteen
it,
examples
let's hear
of
it.
that.
Let's hear
Indian
it.
Mujahideen issue is just one of them.
Let's hear it. What's- Sanjay, 1
the
minute.
same
Sanjay, let him
party
speak.
that sat over the execution of Afzal Guru for years together. They have always
Let him
used their
finish now.
political interest.
It's
They
not
put
only
them
that.
ahead of national interest. This is the party that has made a constitutional amendment to overturn the judgment of the apex court for political benefits, for appeasement of certain section of the society.
Okay,
No,
let
no,
me
no,
answer.
no, one
That
second.
country
Let's get
knows
others
this.
in. One
Let me
second.
answer.
If
One
you
second.
look at the
Let him complete. Let him complete. You see, fundamentally, so many critical questions are not being answered. And Devesh Thakur, this is really the irony, isn't it? I mean, you're talking about secular politics and non-secular politics and all these things. But what is binding all secular and non-secular parties together tonight is apparent to me is their search for vote banks using the religious card.
Not at all.
Using the
On
religious...
behalf of the Congress party, on your
one second,
channel, I would like to say that's completely inappropriate and we disagree.
one second.
it is nothing but the pseudo-secular politics of
And
the
you are a
Congress
pseudo-nationalist,
party that is
let him
destroying
you are a
the secular
pseudo-nationalist, Rahul
fabric of this
Narvekar.
country.
No, don't use the word pseudo-secular. You're a pseudo-nationalist along with your partners in the Bharatiya Janata Party. And I want to make a point.
One second.
Bharatiya Janata Party.
One second. You have to answer the questions. You have to answer the question.
Please answer the pointed questions which are put across
You
to
have
you.
to stay. You have
no answer for them.
You see, the problem is one second. Sanjay, 1 minute, please. 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Wait for your turn, please. You know, 1 minute, please. You know, please. You know, I know you have an alter ego of a television anchor, but you must let me come in once in a while.
No, I have an opinion.
1 minute, Sanjay, but you can't.
Can I make a small point?
1 second. Siddharth, before I come to you, I am accusing
Arnab,
every
can I make a
political
small
party
point?
tonight. No, I'm accusing every political party.
You're accusing us unfairly.
Including the Akali Dal. Including the Akali Dal. Which said that, you know, the nation is not being put
Well,
first. Because 1 second, Mr.
And who have celebrated the assassins of Indian leaders.
or you want to take over the role of the anchor?
Peace.
Thank you. So the question here is this to Mr. Gujral is, you approached the president to grant clemency to Devinder Pal Singh Bhullar. This is after the Supreme Court. Not before, sir. After the Supreme Court has passed its verdict. In the past, you played politics over Balwant Singh Rajwana. You also have played communal politics. Court has passed its verdict. You went out of your way, Mr. Gujral, to play communal politics at that point of time. You didn't think about the impact on the country. You did not think about the impact on the counter-terror movement or on the armed forces or the security agencies of the country. How different are you, sir, and will you stop doing that?
I will answer your question. What we did was the right of any citizen to ask for clemency from the president. We went on his behalf because we knew that if we did not do so, the whole of Punjab would have been set on fire.
So
we
you
were,
no, by
we
whom?
have faced 10 years of insurgency.
By whom?
1 second, let me
By whom?
complete.
By whom?
We have
So
faced
who
10
runs
years
the
of
government? Why do you
terrorism.
run a government?
We have faced a proxy war. You can't. It's very easy to say you come out with guns. How many thousand people can you kill?
So you too.
When sometimes situations get out of hand. 1 second. At that time, patience has to be shown. Some kind of diplomacy has to be shown. And that is all. We are not saying that we are against the Supreme Court judgment.
Mr. Gujral, 1 minute. Mr. Gujral, Prakash Singh Badal said, Prakash Singh Badal said there will not be any photograph of anyone in the memorial for Operation Booster. When it was thrown open to the public, everybody knows there was a picture of Bhindranwale which surfaced. And you remember this, there was a plaque carrying his name. No, there was a plaque carrying his name. How is that promoting communal harmony?
Our party, then you would also try to remember that our party took a very strong stand. SGPC took a very strong stand.
That's all symbolism. That's symbolism. That's symbolism.
And it was removed. It is not. We made them remove it.
But point is this.
Face the facts.
Point is, Mr. Gujral, Devinder Pal Singh Bhullar,
Devinder
Pal Singh Bhullar, Balwant Singh Rajwana, these have been contradictions in your own party's positions.
Now you're moving from one to another.
No, I'm moving to the central issue. I am accusing you of playing communal politics as well.
Yes.
When it has been convenient to you.
Absolutely not. We did not want to, not at all. We did not want to set Punjab on fire. We know what has happened in the past. We have suffered. Punjab has still not recovered from that. So all we said was, if the man has a right for clemency, let it go to the president.
Devesh Thakur, the appeal of most people will be that however compelling your political rationale may be today is not the situation when you need to play the communal card. But there is a growing apprehension, isn't there, Sankarshan, before I go to Devesh Thakur, isn't there a growing apprehension that more and more political parties, especially in Uttar Pradesh, will try and open their innings by being the first to play the communal card? Sankarshan.